Hi, it's Marissa with Stitch Clinic. I have a real quick little tutorial for you. How to clean a bobbin case. You take high specialist equipment here. You take a business card. You take your bobbin case. And what you're going to do is you're just going to slip your business card underneath this tensioning plate. And if there's anything on it, it'll just come off onto your business card. And you see in here there's a little bit of fuzz. What you can do is go in there and use the corner. I'm going to actually tear it. Use the corner. You don't want to put anything sharp in here. You just want to use your business card. That's it. See? Otherwise it's pretty clean, and if there is anything stuck under there, it might make your tension loose. What it would do is it would get stuck under this plate, and so it would make the plate not be as close to the rest of the bobbin case, and that would make it so that the bobbin thread would go through faster. Meaning you need to tighten up your tension. And if you tighten it and it doesn't work, it could be because you have gunk like this in there. Okay, that was a real quick tutorial on how to keep your bobbin case clean.